So today I'm going to show you how to do the mermaid tutorial on creating a macrame pattern. So we're going to have 6 strings on here, and it's going to sort of create a V shape, but getting started can seem a little tricky, so let me scooch these. You can see more of what I'm doing here. Okay, I'm taking the 2nd string to the left, and I'm going to essentially tie a knot in the 3rd string. So tying a knot, but I'm keeping that 2nd string over here on that 2nd side, and I'm keeping this 3rd string pretty much straight down. I'm not trying to tie them together and bring this string anywhere. And that is the trick to this entire pattern, is that when you're tying a knot around one string, you want to keep one staying straight down, and then the other one stays in its original position. So string 2 ties a knot around string 3, but string 2 stays in position 2. It does not go to another space. Okay, make that snug. Another key part of this pattern is that we do the same knot twice. So string 2 is going to go around string 3 yet again, and we're going to pull that through again. Okay, and I'm going to keep that over there. Now, with this V shape that we're going to make, it's a mirror image, and so whatever we do over here, we must do on the other side, just backwards. So I'm going to take string 2 over here and go around its 3rd string. Put that over on this side. Keep this 3rd string straight down. Okay. I'm going to do this one more time because we always do the knot twice. So you see I kind of got confused there of which one was string 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, so this is string 3, so it should be staying straight down. There we go. Straightened it out. Pulled this up. So you see how those knots look up close. Okay, now to create that V, we have to do something to the middle. So we're going to tie the middle into a knot. And again, we're going to do that twice. Okay, and that is the bulk of the pattern. So now we're going to come back, since this is just a small V and we didn't really use the outside, we're going to come back and actually start the full length of the pattern. So we'll start with that 1st string, tie a knot around the 2nd, okay, and again we're going to do that twice. Scooch those knots up. Okay, and now I'm going to do that with the next string as well. Okay, go over the 3rd string. Just like when we started the pattern. Okay, so my 2 strings going this way, and my singular 3rd string still kind of going straight down. Now I have to repeat on this side. I'm going to make that knot. Okay, I'm going to do it again. Now I'm going to take the 2nd string and go over the 3rd again. I've done these two on each side. I need to do the middle. Now, depending on how loosely you tie your knots, will kind of depend on how much of a pattern you're going to really see. So I'm doing this fairly loose so that way I can kind of see some of the negative space between the knots, because I like that lacy look. But you might choose to scooch your knots really tight, and then it'll kind of all come together as one big rope. Okay, and there we go. Now I can keep on going, or I can add some other elements of just creativity. So before I continue, I might want to just tie a knot right here. I like the space that's happening. And I might just tie a knot here and then start my pattern again. Okay, so I might just now you don't have to do this. You can continue the pattern all the way down and have a uniform design. But to get that more macrame lacy look, you can kind of bunch them together and then continue the pattern again. Okay, like so. And then I will continue again. I'm going to divide it back up into 6. Okay. And because I'm starting at a narrow point again, I'm not going to start on 1 anymore. I'm going to go back to the original pattern where we started on chord number 2, going over chord number 3. Okay, got my 2 chords in the middle, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. And I'm essentially going to start again here. Oops, I made a mistake here. I only did 1 knot on that side. I do 2.